Shefali,
Yes?
I have to go out for some work. Please take my tiffin. I'll be back before the lunch break.
But this is...
Please, this is urgent. So can you take care of it?
Okay, don't worry.
Bye.
Shefali? Where did she go?
She had to do something urgently. She will be back before the lunch break ends.
Okay. Yes, Aunt, tell me.
My sweet boy Yash, I keep telling you not to call me aunt. Call me Simi. Okay, since you have started going to the office, you have forgotten about me?
It's not like that, Aunt.
It's not like that, is it? Then you leave at once and come to meet me.
Right now?
Yes, right now. We are having a family lunch today. I planned it.
Aunt, but there's lots to do here in the office.
That's always going to be there, Yash. You are the boss anyway, so you have no compulsion to work. Okay, listen to me. Your uncle and I are reaching Hotel Blue Star right away. Dad will come too. You must come on time. And this time, no excuses. Okay?
Aunt, wait. Shefali,
Yes?
call me if Neha gets back.
Yes, will do.
Ma'am, this is a security check. This way for the ladies.
Ma'am, your purse.
Yes.
Yes, Amir, tell me.
Hello? Yash? Where are you? Where did you go without informing me?
What is it?
Nothing has happened. Shefali is driving me crazy. She brings lunch for me nowadays. She pesters me to eat, man. Just come back at once. And then we will have lunch together.
What for? This is good. You have someone to watch over you in the office. Why do you need me, huh?
Listen to me. I'm serious, okay? Where are you?
Actually, I came out here for lunch. The family's all together. Aunt Simi called me over urgently, so I had to come. But, You carry on with the family lunch.
Hey, hello, listen to me. It's not funny, okay?
Okay. I'm sorry. So, tell me, is Neha back? She rushed off in a hurry earlier. She didn't even mention anything. I hope there's any problem.
That's your problem. You don't care about your friend, but you care about the tiffin lady.
Come on, it's not like that. When she left, she was in tears. That's why I'm a bit worried. Hasn't she come yet?
I don't know. I will inform you when she gets back.
Okay, fine. I'll be there presently.
Okay, bye.
Come, sit. You know, work will keep going on. But we must meet together like this, right? I mean, you must find time for the family, right?
Have you been here for long? Why are you still standing here? Why didn't you sit inside? I'm sorry, I got home late.
It's okay. I was calling you.
Calling me? My mobile phone? Oh, there are 3 missed calls from you. I'm really very sorry.
Didn't the people from the bank arrive?
They will be here soon. But we will not speak to them standing out here, right? We must sit inside to speak with them. Come. Is this your first time in a huge hotel like this one? I mean, you seem stumped. Don't worry, I am with you.
I have to get back to the office before the lunch break. So,
Okay.
Simi,
Yes?
have you invited someone? Who are you looking for?
No. Why would I invite anyone? After all, this is a family lunch. Of course, brother-in-law is sitting apart from the family, but forget about it. Shh. Don't create a scene. Our dad will get upset. Get it?
Uncle. Hey, Uncle. Come and sit with the others.
Yash. I don't want to go there. I have to hear too much.
Come for me then.
For you. Let's go. I will come for you.
Let's go.
101%.
Let's go. Take it easy. Slow down.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Take it easy.
Hey, what are you doing? Sit properly.
No. I'm fine. The thing is, people are ashamed to call me the son here, Yash. That's why I said no.
Sit.
He has no idea how to behave in public. It's best not to come out in public. The one who doesn't value his family should not stay here. And he should stay at home.
You know... Carry on.
Listen.
Sit.
I'm okay.
Yash, it's okay. Let him go. He used to do this. He can manage. Dad, have some starters.
No, you should eat them. These days, I avoid fried foods.
That's great.
Come on, let's start. Come on. The old man said he won't release a penny from the property until the grandson is married. That's why this is being done.
Simi. What?
Oh, I didn't invite anyone. You mentioned it before, right? The thing is, we can't be sure how someone may hook up with another person. These bonds are formed in heaven.
Bonds? Where are they? What bonds are you speaking about?
Mithila, please eat.
What can I get you, Miss Neha?
Yes?
I mean, it's lunchtime. We should be eating lunch, right?
No, I don't want anything. When do the people from the bank arrive? No, I mean, we could have spoken to them.
But we have come to talk about it. See, they are well-placed folks. Your house is in their possession. Considering that, we must follow their lead, right? But I'm here, so don't worry. I won't leave them alone just like that. Your house issue will be resolved. But let them arrive here.
Can you call and check where they have reached?
Miss Neha,
I actually can't stay after the lunch break.
I told you, well-placed people. See, you can't keep calling them and ruin the settlement which may happen. It's nothing else. Anyways, they don't have just one case to solve here. I mean, people who mortgage their homes for loans and who disappear later are a dime a dozen. Why do people do that, I wonder? I mean, the house is up for eviction and they don't care. Because they make all the other arrangements after getting their money.
But I am willing to pay up. I just want more time.
I agree. But the bank can't give you time so easily, right? The bank has some rules, right? And not just the bank debts, but there are other debtors too, right? No, I mean, I heard about the goons who came home for repayment.
What? Did these folks send the goons?
It doesn't matter who sent them, Miss Neha. The goons were sent for repayment, that is what matters, right? And you know, there's no way to trust these folks. Anything can happen. I mean, anything at all. Miss Neha, you don't have to worry at all. I am with you, right? I'll solve the issue regarding your house any way I can. What would you like? What do you want off the menu card?
I really don't want anything.
Miss Neha, you must have something, please. And yes, don't worry about the bill. Paran se pay.
Oh, hi! Mr. Riker! Wow, what a pleasant surprise!
You are here too.
Yes. Family lunch?
Oh.
Why don't you join us? Dad? Will it be okay if they eat with us?
Of course, of course.
Please, please.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
What a surprise.
I guess you're getting married this year. Aunt Sumi is in no mood to let you go.
I had no idea about this plan.
Really? Why did you rush over here from the office? The family lunch is actually going to be a lot of fun.
Please your order. Feel free. Yash? You know them, right? Mr. and Mrs. Riker? And their daughter, Dimple?
Hey,
Yash, what will you eat?
I got my tiffin.
What? A tiffin?
Yep, I'll eat my tiffin.
Tiffin?
Sir,
Yes.
we don't allow outside food in our hotel.
Yes.
He's brought a tiffin.
I guess you don't know who he is. He's a big shot and can buy our hotel in no time.
Where are you taking this? What are you doing?
Sir, let me heat it up for you.
Okay.
Why come to a 5-star hotel if you don't know how to behave there, right?
Sorry, I was just.
No, I don't mean you. Somebody at that table has brought a tiffin. I'm speaking about him. Not acceptable here. The tiffin was taken away.
Mr. Riker? Our Yash is the most eligible bachelor, you know?
I've heard about it. Dimple has also completed her education now.
We are looking out for an alliance for her. Wonderful, really? No wonder Simi was waiting for you. The plate? What is this? The plates are still empty. Don't you like something? Let me order
Mithila?
something.
You eat.
Yes.
I'll make sure that they eat, okay? Yash, Dimple is grounded despite being a famous daughter of an industrialist. She isn't proud of her wealth at all. She's exactly like you. I think both of you are perfect for each other.
Correct you are. Yash, their Dimple is truly simple. She's perfect for you.
Dimple, our Yash is very simple, okay? I mean, he has very different plans. He has very different ambition. He wants to do it all on his own steam. But you must stand by him.
Yes, of course. Even if I have to leave the bungalow for 1 BHK, I will adjust. I think my father and forefathers have built up this wealth. I haven't even contributed to it at all. Yash may feel the same. I respect his views. In future he may have to get a job, and I'm okay with that. I would be happy to cook. I don't even want to starve. I'm okay with that. I could get a job and support us if we need.
How lovely, lovely. Yash, did you hear that? You both think along very similar lines.